Hi there. In this video I'm going to do a base component that is going to be displaying how often a component or a page is going to be re-rendered and how long did it take to get there. So I'm going to create a new info base component, and it's going to be abstract because I don't want it to be instantiated, and it's going to be have to inherit from ComponentBase, and after that I have to implement override two methods, should render and on after render. And the idea is that I'm going to need a stopwatch that is going to be called stopwatch, just because I'm very creative. And I'm also going to need a counter. So the idea is that if the component should render, I'm going to restart the stopwatch for the case that it's already running, and I'm going to increment the counter so I know the page was re-rendered. And in this case I'm going to stop it like this, and I'm just going to write on the console how long did it take. So in this case I'm going to say counter, so how often it was already redrawn, and I'm going to do get type and name so I know which component it is, and I can just write here how long did it take stopwatch elapsed, just like this. So and now actually I have to inherit from this. So I'm interested in seeing here in the trackers page. So I'm going to say it inherits from info base, and also on the which one? Where do I have? Huh, interesting. Actually, I want to do it also here. So the same inherits from info base, and I just have to start it. And by the way, I would appreciate some feedback. I've been doing some videos. It would be very nice if you could leave a comment or a like. I have no idea if someone finds it interesting or not. So if I come here to the trackers, I can see that it was redrawn once, and now it was redrawn twice, 3 times, and so on. And here in the actually I don't have any subcomponents here. Where did I have subcomponents? In the converters, I think. Yes, in the converters there were subcomponents, so I'm going to use that. So I'm coming here to the converter and doing exactly that. Inherits from info base, and just rerunning it. Yes, I appreciate some feedback. So here in the converters, base 64, so if I just do this, no, I guess it doesn't have any subcomponents. Well, but that's the idea. I can see it's not being rendered more than once. It's very interesting. And here you can see that since it's updating by every keyboard key down, actually key up, it's going to be doing some redraws. So sometimes you can get some errors, or if a page is slow to load, you can use this method in order to find out where the problem is coming from. I hope you liked it. That's it for today. Bye.